Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sew a super easy maxi skirt. Now the items that you will need are of course your fabric. Now the way I determine how much fabric that I need is 2 to 2.5 times my waist. So if my waist is 36 inches, you're going to need 72 inches of fabric, or you can get a little bit longer, which will be about 2.5 yards. You also need some scissors, your pins, you need some elastic. Now the width of your elastic don't really matter, just make sure that it's at least as long as your waist. You also need thread and you need your measure tape. You can first start by folding your fabric in half the long way. So this right here, your fabric should be on the fold. I already cut mine, but your fabric should be on the fold. And now what you're going to do, once you have your fabric on the fold, go ahead and cut your fabric straight down on the fold. So that should leave you with 2 separate identical pieces. So depending on your height, you may need to adjust the bottom length of your dress. So go ahead and take your tape measure and measure how far down you want your skirt to go. So let's just say if you need to go 46 inches, you would just take your fabric and measure down 46 inches and cut across where the 46 inches stop. So now that you have 2 separate pieces of fabric and your desired length, let's go ahead and pin the skirt together. Pin this side and the other side of your skirt, and now it's time to go to your sewing machine and sew a straight stitch all the way down about 3/4 of an inch. Now that you have both sides stitched, it's time to create an elastic for your waistband. So what you want to do is find the width of your elastic and pretty much put it at the top of your dress. Fold it over. This is the casing that you're going to create, but take the waistband out. So go ahead and sew about 1/2 inch longer than your waistband, so it'll look something like that. So when you stitch, you'll have room to insert your elastic. Once you have your casing pinned, go ahead and sew a straight stitch as close as possible to the raw edge, but make sure you leave about 2 inches open so that you can insert your elastic. Now it is time to insert the elastic. Pin the other end of your elastic to your skirt so that it won't get lost and go inside of your casing. Once you have your elastic all the way through, go ahead and pin this to the side of your skirt. Now go ahead and try on your skirt to see if you need to cut some of your elastic. Once you have your desired elastic length, go ahead and do a zigzag stitch to stitch your elastic together. Now go ahead and sew your casing closed. The opening that you left open, go ahead and stitch it closed. And now it is time to hem the bottom of your dress. Go ahead and hem your dress 1/2 inch. Hem your dress all the way around and then sew a straight stitch as close as possible to the raw edge all the way around. And now your maxi skirt is all completed. Thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.